Let's talk about order terms. So when you're making a trade that's not a market order, you can have three different types of order terms. Let's navigate to the Make a Trade page so I can show you. So if I wanted to set a limit, a stop, or a trailing stop order on Google, right at the bottom of the order page, after I've decided what type of order and how many shares I want, you can see once if I've selected limit, stop, or trailing stop, that these two options open up. So if I set my limit price, you'll see that I can also select my duration or order terms. Automatically by default, the duration will set till good till day. The other options are good till cancel and good till date. Good till day means that my limit order for $90 on one share of Google stock will stay open until the end of the day. My portfolio will automatically execute a limit order at $90 until the end of trading on the current day, unless I go in and manually cancel the order. If I select good till cancel, my order will stay open until I manually cancel it. However, keep in mind that your Stock-Trak account does have a maximum order duration of 60 days. So unless I manually cancel this order will stay open until it's filled or up till 60 days. Finally, good till date lets you select the date you want your order to stay open until. So say I want this order to stay open for a week, I can select that date, and if my limit order is not filled by that date, the order will be canceled. Now remember, you can't do this for a market order, which is why the options will get grayed out if you select market order type. So let's place this limit order at $90, good till date for about a week. Okay, now you can see the order has been placed, and it will show up in your order history section as open until it is filled.